Good evening everyone. Today we have Anmol Bisht with us and he is going to do mental multiplication. Start. 43 multiplied by 5. 88 multiplied by 6. 83 multiplied by 7. 92 multiplied by 4. 82 multiplied by 5. 82 multiplied by 9. 33 multiplied by 7. 46 multiplied by 5. 32 multiplied by 8. 46 multiplied by 7. Very good, Anmol.